Mastering definitions and classifications in presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be delving into defining and classifying in presentations. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to excel in professional or academic environments. So, buckle up and get ready to enhance your vocabulary skills. When we talk about definitions in presentations, we're looking at how to explain concepts or terms clearly and succinctly. A key point to note here is accuracy and clarity. For instance, you may have to define a scientific term or a business strategy. For such scenarios, keep your definition simple, precise, and easy to understand. Don't forget to explain the context of the term for a better understanding. Example: customer churn, in the realm of business, refers to when existing customers stop doing business with a company or service. Application of definitions in presentations is all about strategically placing these definitions where they'll make the most impact. It's not just about what the definition is, but how and when you deliver it. Remember to define terms at the beginning of your presentation or right before you delve into a new concept. This way, you ensure that your audience is on the same page. Example: before we explore our strategies to reduce customer churn, let's define it. Customer churn, in the realm of business, refers to when existing customers stop doing business with a company or service. Classification is another crucial part of any presentation. It involves organizing items, concepts, or ideas into categories based on common characteristics. This can help your audience understand complex concepts by breaking them down into smaller, more digestible parts. Example: in the realm of marketing, there are two main types of strategies: inbound and outbound. Inbound strategies involve attracting customers through valuable content creation, while outbound strategies focus on outreach to potential customers via various channels. Classifying information in your presentation can help guide your audience through your content and make it more digestible. Make sure to explain the overarching category first, and then delve into each subclass. Use visuals, such as graphs or diagrams, to make your classifications more memorable. But remember, these should be text-based as we are not inserting links or images in this context. Example: as we explore marketing strategies, we'll first look at the broad types: inbound and outbound. Let's dive into the details of each. Inbound strategies involve attracting customers through valuable content creation, while outbound strategies focus on outreach to potential customers via various channels. Thank you for tuning in today and exploring the world of defining and classifying in presentations with us. We hope you now feel confident in applying these strategies to your next presentation, whether in an academic or professional context. Remember, the key is in the clarity and strategic placement of your definitions and classifications. Until next time, keep learning and growing.